In today's new video, I got a whole bunch of updates from Yeezy Gap to Yeezy Day 2022 plus more. What's going on, everybody? It's JA. If you are new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoy these Yeezy updates, support the channel by dropping a thumbs up here on today's video. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So to kick things off, let me know in the comments how you guys did for today's Yeezy Slide release. I was told from my sources that this release would be the biggest Yeezy Slide release that we ever saw, and I could tell from the confirmed results I saw in the Discord. A whole bunch of people took W's. I also saw that this Yeezy Slide release had the most in-store Adidas raffles available. So I was glad to see that so many people took W's upon this release. I mean, the Yeezy Slide Onyx, which I happen to have on feet right now, I rock these joints on a daily. Of course, we also got the Yeezy Slide Bone, the new updated release. And then via confirm, they did also restock leftover pairs of the Green Glow. So comment down below how you guys did. For me personally, I happened to get lucky on just one pair of the Slide Onyx. Actually picked that up for my kid. Just put in one confirmed raffle and happened to take a W. So hopefully good results from everybody across the board. Drop your feedback, how you guys did on that release down below. And of course, we had a new Ye sighting over the weekend as he showed up as a guest for Lil Durk's set for Rolling Loud Miami, which took place over the weekend. And what really shocked fans is, of course, Ye was expected to be a headliner for the event. Of course, he backed out at the last minute. So it was very shocking to see him show up as a guest performer. So what do you guys think about Kanye's drip? Rate the drip down below. Of course, some other noteworthy moments for Rolling Loud where Playboy Cardi's show ended early due to a fire apparently broke out. And then we had Travis Scott, which also made a guest appearance for Future's set at Rolling Loud. Hey, comment down below if any of you pulled up to the event. For me personally, I had to sit this one out. You know, you ain't gonna catch JA in any mosh pit, so I conveniently opted to just watch this joint via the live stream. So I know y'all seen those crazy futuristic looking glasses Kanye was rocking. Well, apparently those glasses are a Yeezy Gap prototype. And speaking of Yeezy Gap, last week they just had a huge pop-up that took place in New York City, followed up by Yeezy Gap Balenciaga being sold in over 50 Gap retailers across the country. They even did pop-up vans in select locations. So according to my inside sources over at Gap headquarters, they took this as a major W for the company. And he told me also to look out for a big future leak coming soon. Now, I also had to check on what happened with the Yeezy Gap boots. As I reported previously, footwear would be included in this drop. And what they had to say in response to the footwear was it just simply wasn't ready. So in the future, hopefully we get to see some Yeezy Gap footwear. I was told we were gonna get some of those big looking boots, so we'll see what goes down. And we also got an update. This is according to a New York Times article, and it says, according to Demna, Balenciaga's work on the project is now over, and he's not sure what will happen next. So hopefully my sources over at Gap can give us an update, because it looks like they are excited about the future. And I feel like fans are definitely looking for that old Yeezy Gap vibe. So we'll see what the future holds for Yeezy Gap. So it looks like new images have surfaced of that brown 500 that leaked earlier. So these come courtesy of Prestige Charlotte, a sneaker boutique. So it now looks like we have the official name of this 500 high will be titled Taupe Black. You got a nice brown earth tone upper. You got a dark charcoal, almost black like sole. And then the interesting highlight that a lot of people are starting to notice, you have a two-tone color going on in the tongue, which I believe is a first for the Yeezy 500. And then we also got new images of the upcoming 700 V3 Fade Salt. These joints are an instant hit amongst the Yeezy community. I feel like joints are getting similar comparisons to the Azale, you know, with their neutral color blocking, but I feel like this is a darker variant. You got a little more gray in there. It feels like with this pair, it really highlights the pattern going across the upper. You know, I feel like these are a must-have for my collection. So these updated photos are just making the hype for these get bigger. So which out of these two are you guys most excited for? The Fade Salt or the 500 Taupe Black? Two great upcoming Yeezy releases. So then of course we got Yeezy Day 22, which is just about a week away. Are y'all ready or what? So of course we already know that for Yeezy Day, it's gonna consist of restocks as well as newly manufactured pairs. Now, the newly manufactured pairs, of course, are all of the heavy hitters. I've already talked about all of those in previous videos. And then of course you got the pairs that are left over, just sitting around in the warehouse, whether they were leftovers from the drops or pairs that customers return. All of those pairs sitting around are fair game to be restocked for Yeezy Day. Now, originally, I was thinking that these pairs were just filler in between all of the big releases, but taking a look at some of these pairs, I'm not even gonna lie, joints are hitting now. So you got the Mono Safflower, you got the Yeezy Slide Ochre, as well as the 500 Low Granite, just to name a few. So I was thinking that these pairs were like bricks, probably, maybe under retail, or pairs that were just floating above retail. But after doing my research, it looks like most of these pairs are going for like $50 to $100 over the retail price point. So I was thinking that these filler pairs weren't gonna have much hype, but now based off the fact that these Yeezys still have resale in a sneaker recession, it looks like Yeezy Day is gonna be a lot more hype than I expected. So expect all of the resellers to be out. These pairs have aged great over time. If you happen to miss out on any of these releases, rather than paying resale, it's a W if you're able to manage to snag any of these joints for Yeezy Day 2022. So on top of all of the heavy hitters, you got some great releases that are restocking, including the Yeezy Foam Runner Onyx, which I talked about in a previous video. Also, the Yeezy Foam Runner Sand is a delayed release. Those pairs were supposed to drop. Expect those to drop for Yeezy Day 2022 as well. Nothing is confirmed yet, so I'm super excited to see what we can expect for Yeezy Day. And speaking of heavy hitters, the Turtle Doves gotta be one of the most highly anticipated drops. Well, it looks like we have an official look, and it is confirmed that this release will be coming in half sizes. The original Turtle Doves, while I never owned a pair, were said to just come in full sizes. They were also said to run big. So it looks like, based off the fact that they're now coming in half sizes, I expect them to fit just like the V2s, but we gotta wait and see to get them in hand to confirm. Also, some of the OGs are saying that the shape, especially around the sock liner area, seems to be slightly off compared to the OG version. But for me, I don't care. I'm hyped. I definitely want to grab a pair. This is probably the biggest release that I'm checking for Yeezy Day 2022. So it's gonna be exciting, man. We're just less than a week away, and I'm thinking about live streaming for the whole day. So we're gonna wrap things up. Let me know your thoughts on Yeezy Day. Which releases are you guys most excited for? And drop your feedback on all of the topics covered here in today's video. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all. Salute.